Relationships is something that's so crucial to Monmouth College.
Welcome, we're glad you're here.
Welcome to Monmouth.
From every level, every faculty, staff, and even students, there is an opportunity to create a relationship that is impactful.
It has to feel like home. I remember when I first came, I was just like, this is it.
The professors here really care. Not only do they look after you your 4 years here, but they also care about your success after college as well. And I just think that's something that you don't get at every school, and that's just something that makes Monmouth so special.
Small liberal arts colleges share a lot in common. The idea that you have a major, you have a general education curriculum, you have small classes, you get to know your professors well. We're not the only place that does that.
But the education that you're going to find here is as good or better than you're going to find anywhere else. That you've got very, very talented faculty, and in addition to being good in their fields, they're really good teachers. And they concentrate a lot on being good teachers.
You need a random angle?
We see potential in every student, and we develop that potential in every student. And I think that's unfortunately unusual.
Every student comes in with a different background and a different set of strengths. And so what you try to do is you try to assess those strengths early in your relationship with a student and then build upon those strengths.
So why don't you start here and do like these first?
Monmouth is just very community-based, it's very homey, and it's my home away from home.
I know it's like different from other schools because here I can see my friends like twice, 3 times a day, even just walking by like to go to classes.
I know my whole entire student body. I feel like every day I'm walking down the street, it's like, hey, Denzel, how you doing? Hey, have a great day.
We offer a great combination of opportunities for students. So it's a welcoming environment. It's a place where people can find their niche. There's lots of things for students to do. Whether they're in theater or they're in athletics or they want to work in a laboratory and get research experience, there are those opportunities there for them.
It's a place where you can feel comfortable, you can feel safe, you can trust all the people that you are in the community with. It's a place for discovering yourself, for figuring out who you are, where you want to go, and there's so much support.
You find students who are coming from many different states. There are international students, there are faculty who are from various parts of the world. And so in this small community, we have really lots of diversity. And I think that that's what makes Monmouth a very rich experience, and that if you come here, you'll find lifelong friends.
Monmouth has provided incredible amounts of opportunities for me, and honestly, I wouldn't have had that anywhere else.
I love Monmouth College because it made me who I am. I found another family, not just professionally, academically, but spiritually.
A lot of times as we were growing up, we're told what to do, we're told what to think, we're told what to learn. And I think as you come into college, you have an opportunity to figure out what is it that you want to study. How is it that you want to view the world? How is it that you want to spend your time? So I want them to become their own thinkers.
For me, writing and thinking are the same thing. And if I can make your writing stronger, then I'm actually teaching you to be a better thinker. And if I can make you a better thinker, then you're going to have a better time, not only in college, but in all the jobs that you work thereafter.
What I hope that has happened in the 4 years at Monmouth College is that they have learned to write well, to communicate effectively. Our goal is to make them lifelong learners. So it's not just what content in psychology or biology or mathematics that they may have learned, but that they have learned how to learn.
Obviously, we want our students to get good jobs, but I want them to want more than that. What is it that keeps you going? What is it that brings you joy? What is it that you do civically? How do you interact with people? You know, if you could write well, speak well, think well, solve problems, have some confidence, you know, talk to people, what can't you do? You're unstoppable.